Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Random Roof here. Today's Thursday, September the 15th, 2022 AD. And I've got something that's really unique. I've never seen this before, and I thought it was kind of cool. And I've had devices that do the same job, but I've never seen one that does it like this. And that's this. Now, if you didn't have any idea what this is, just by looking at it, you would not be alone. So, what it is, you pull this off, you pull this out, and you have this. And if you don't know what this is a bike lock. So what you do, or what you can do, it comes with, I don't know why it has 4 keys, but it comes with 4 keys. So what you can do, put the key in, turn it, and it comes out like that. So you've got a little locking mechanism. So you can put it around your bike, lock it, you know, put it around a pole or whatever, and then you got, you can flex it, do whatever. Of course, like I said, if you had it around your bike or whatever, it's not going to go anywhere. I mean, it's not indestructible, but then what is? But, having said that, it's very heavy duty. It's very cool. It's very different. It comes with this really nice hard plastic case. I kind of wish this case was metal instead of plastic, but having said that, it's a very nice plastic. And it's got the stretchy thing here. So when you're done with it, you can stretch it and put it back together, and it's not going anywhere. Now, it comes with these bands. 1, 2. And as you can see here, it's got places to put screws in so you can mount it. And you've got some things to mount it with. And then, like I said, you got your 4 keys. I don't know why I include 4 keys. You only need 1, and maybe 1 as a backup, but they sent 4, so hey, 4 is better than 3, 2, and 1, I guess, in this case, which is true. And it comes with, it just tells you a little bit about it. Nothing exciting. And it came in a box that looks like this. But, this is pretty cool. I like this. This is definitely different. I've never seen anything like this. And like I said, you just whip it out. It comes out. It goes out automatically, pretty much. Now there's plastic on here that you can take off. I haven't taken it off yet, but that's pretty cool. So I just like it. You can pull it out. See what you get. Like I said, I'll show you the little locking mechanism there. See if I can get that in focus. Well, maybe. Yeah, you get the idea. And then it's got there you go. So when you're done, ready to lock it, put your key in, and I'll put it in the right way. Lock it, pull it out, and you're good to go. So, I like it. Is it perfect? No. Is it really nice? Yeah. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I really like it. Plus, it looks cool. It just looks cool. Now, I'm not too sure how sturdy, if you're going to put this on your bike, to mount it, I'm not too sure how sturdy that's going to be. So, I don't know. But the lock itself is very nice. It's not perfect. I would like to see something more heavy duty than this to mount it to your bicycle or whatever you're going to mount it to. But this itself, very, very cool and very well built. Very heavy duty. There's some weight to it. So until next time, I'm Marilyn Roof. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.